All right, this is a quick video for A Bodies Only. Ken Dog 170 wanted to know how to do a quiet exhaust. Doesn't mean you're getting old, just means you want to enjoy a little bit more less racket, and I can get that. I really like that in my cruiser. It's a 79 Magnum, and all I want to do is cruise quietly. I like going long distance with this car, and usually I have a really nice stereo inside, so I like to hear the stereo crisp, clean, clear. And stereo is another topic. I'm not going to get into it. The car is still re-gutted, but this is the car, and this is for Ken Dog. And I wanted to show you something. I had written a post to really help get a quiet car, and you can see it's still under a little construction. There we go. Or deconstruction. I had mentioned getting an H-pipe. Well, I don't have an H-pipe yet. There will be an H-pipe. I get my header into the reducer. An H-pipe will go in here. And then I got this little jankily pieced together. And my painted mufflers are actually Dynomax Turbo mufflers, and why they themselves are relatively quiet, if you notice, they're kind of long. I'll put a mention in the description of just how long they are, but they're not your typical muffler that guys use, really short. And you know, the shorter the muffler, the more sound you're going to get out of it. The longer the muffler, the less sound. So let's take it to the back. And back here, there we go. I have some Summit glass packs. They're 17 inches overall. And that is from basically right on the other side of this clamp. Let me see, to right here. And this is about 12 inches worth of glass pack. So you might be saying to yourself, how quiet can those pair of mufflers be out to the back? Well, I'm going to start it up for you, and you can figure out if this is all right by you. Let me put you in the grill of the CUDA. I'll start it up and you let me know. I think that was a little disingenuous inside my garage. It's very echoey in here. Stand by. I'm going to move you closer. This was about, I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, about 3 paces away was the exhaust while it was sitting up. So what I'll do is I'll take one of the ramps and I'll move it right to the edge. This is about 4.5 feet to the edge of the garage. I guess another 3 feet, so you're about 7, 8 feet away, give or take. Yeah, that's about 8 feet. that's where it's at. Exhaust pipe is 2.5 inches, and sounds like a spark plug wire just fell off at the end when I was revving it. All right, always something, right? Well, Ken Dog 170, there you go. The FX and sound, the sound effects muffler, Sound FX, and the quiet flow will be a good bit quieter than this. Just for your information. All right, fellas,